What's going on, guys? And welcome back. Today, we are talking about the ultimate forbidden fruit, the giant slayer, the off-road hero that for years we here in the States have been begging for. That's right, we're talking about the Suzuki Jimny. And these are not pictures of the Jimny you know. These incredible new images give us a sneak peek at what a radical next-generation 2026 Suzuki Jimny could look like. And let me tell you, if Suzuki builds this, it's an instant game changer. Just get a load of this front end. This concept takes the classic, lovable Jimny and gives it a serious attitude problem. You've got the signature round headlights, but they're housed in this super modern casing. The iconic 5-slot grille looks tougher than ever, and that beefy bumper with the JMNY skid plate looks like it's ready to chew up the trails and spit them out. This is the Jimny with its war paint on. Now, around back, we're seeing something that the rest of the world is already getting: the 5-door Jimny. This takes the one big weakness of the Jimny, its tiny size, and fixes it. You get more room for your friends, more space for your gear, without losing that classic boxy charm and the signature tailgate-mounted spare. It's the perfect evolution, making it a true daily drivable adventure rig. But the biggest shock comes when you open the door. Say goodbye to the basic utilitarian plastic of old. This interior is absolutely stunning. Look at that gorgeous, quilted brown leather. You've got a retro-style dashboard finished in this cool bronze color, but it's packed with modern tech. A floating widescreen infotainment system, a digital driver's display. This is an interior that feels both rugged and incredibly premium. It's a place you'd actually want to be for a long road trip. Okay, time for the stuff you really want to know. What's powering this little beast, and what would it cost to get one in your garage? The current Jimny has a trusty 1.5-liter 4-cylinder, but for a 2026 model, the rumor mill is screaming one thing: hybrid. Expect Suzuki to pair that 1.5-liter engine with a mild hybrid system. This would give it a much-needed boost in low-end torque for crawling over obstacles, and, more importantly, it would deliver fantastic fuel economy. We're talking a bump to around 115 horsepower and a much healthier 120 pound-feet of torque. It's not a rocket ship, but it's the smart, efficient, and torquey powertrain this rig deserves. This is the Jimny's secret weapon. It's always been the affordable off-roader for the people. If Suzuki is smart and finally brings the Jimny to the United States, they need to make a splash. We are predicting a jaw-dropping starting price of right around $26,500 US dollars. For a top-tier, fully loaded 5-door model like the one we see in these pics, you'd likely be looking at $32,000. At that price, it would undercut everything.
So there you have it. A futuristic design, a more practical 5-door body, a stunning interior, and an efficient hybrid powertrain, all at a killer price. The 2026 Suzuki Jimny is the hero we need. It's proof that you don't need a 6-figure monster truck to have a world-class adventure. Come on, Suzuki, the ball is in your court. Bring it to America. What do you guys think? Would you buy this 2026 Jimny in a heartbeat? Let me know in the comments below. And if you had fun dreaming with us today, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next.